Hey guys, Jeremy here with JBL. Let's talk about the evolution of bass and getting you great sound in your car and delivering what you need. We've got an exciting new product from JBL, the JBL Fuse. This thing is amazing. So we're able to deliver high output bass in a tiny space, but we've taken it a step farther and made it incredibly flexible. So the Fuse starts off, as you can see, as one large enclosure, which is great for the back of an SUV or a hatchback. But let's say maybe you've got a small pickup truck. So you take the Fuse, you separate it into two pieces, and now I can mount it behind my seats. Maybe you need to get it underneath your seats because you just don't have the space in the car. You don't have to sacrifice bass anymore. We at JBL have done an exceptional job with the Fuse to deliver what you need. We've got a 6-inch woofer along with a racetrack driver, which gives us a tremendous amount of output, and it's passive. So you can pair this with any one of our JBL amplifiers to get the perfect pairing. The new JBL Fuse.